Tony RB22 back with another one. Man, as you can see, I told y'all I was gonna hit y'all with the truck review. So the time has finally come. This is an updated review of Chevy boy Tony, Chevy Silverado. I don't know what to start with just yet. So I know it's dirty because I'm kind of lazy because I don't like to wash it. So you know how that goes. So we start with the tint. I got a double 5 on the back, and then on front I got just 5, so it ain't that dark. On the setup, we went with 26s and 37s. That's split 6s, and then the tire I ran 37-inch Gladiators. 4-wheel drive, by the way, so your boy ain't getting stuck no way. Walk. That's the most famous part of the truck. You see that Shurcon branding. Got to see that Shurcon, big Shurcon. This truck is one-on-one. It's one-on-one. Got the color match bow tie. Did that myself. It's nothing but a little black spray paint. You know what I'm saying? Aftermarket tail lights. Aftermarket brake lights. Yeah, about cool 279. Third brake light to match. Had to match it. You know what I'm saying? I know you see them cherry roof racks on the top. Cherry roof racks. Amazon hit them up. They got them for the low. Walking around. Color match. Got the chrome door handles on the sides. Got my black rain guards to go with the black paint. Black my favorite color. You ain't know that. Chrome mirror caps. Make sure you get that in there. Got the bullet. Black bullet to match the paint. And then I know you see that 4PL sticker right there. Get that 4PL sticker. Stamp. You know what I'm saying? 4 pockets full like that. Maybe you need to sign me or endorse me, something like that. Get up with me. Lift kit, we ran rough country. 7.5, not a 6. Get that rough country right there. We definitely going bigger. I'm thinking FTS and wides, but that's for the future. This is just a little starter. See, this the baby for real. See, this the baby. I got a new body planned. It's coming soon. New body gonna be even bigger. See, people be saying this one sit kind of hot. It ain't that big for real, but when you see the big one, yeah. Windshield smack. Got a smooth little 35 on the windshield. Nothing too crazy. I got wheel lights. So I got double row chasers. I'll put that in the video right now. Exhaust I ran, at first I was straight pipe, but that was too loud. I was definitely gonna get tickets and stuff like that, and I ain't trying to pay no tickets. So I went and put 2 glass packs on, so it's straight pipe with 2 glass packs, and I got 7-inch tips ran out the back. Big 7-inch tips, got them tucked up under the tail, all nice light. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up, let you guys hear it. It's loud. Like it like that. But that's the end of the review.